Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco Youth Centre, Thrissur, Kerala, in collaboration with Salesian cooperators and Don Bosco College NSS unit, orchestrated Harmony Hour on the occasion of World Music Day to spread love and happiness among the children from Sneha Deepthi Special School, a school run by the Samaritan Sisters. The highlight of the evening was the mesmerizing performance by Harish Soman, a renowned flautist and pianist from the Thrissur district. Soman dedicated his musical talent to the children, creating a captivating ambience with melodious tunes that touched the hearts of everyone present. Father Robin Matthew, SDB Director of Don Bosco Youth Centre, expressed his delight in bringing together the children and volunteers for this special occasion. He emphasized the power of music in fostering unity and creating positive experiences. Father Cyril Edamana, SDB Rector and Manager, underscored the significance of World Music Day in promoting cultural exchange and understanding. He highlighted the transformative power of music on children, especially those from Sneha Deepthi Special School. The meeting of Salesians in their quinquennium here, that is, those Salesians who have completed their stage of initial formation between 1 and 5 years, is taking place in the retreat house at Monte Alvernia in Panama from 20th to 23rd June. Father Rene Santos, Vice Provincial of the Salesian Province of Central America, CAM, has the task of accompanying the Salesians in their quinquennium and ensuring that the three objectives are achieved during these days: to share experiences and concerns in order to show solidarity in consecration, fraternal life in community and mission, to reflect in the light of the Word on the pastoral, religious and Salesian situation of the individuals, communities and the province, to plan for the future through concrete choices that belong to personal, community and youth circumstances. During the meeting, moments of prayer are alternated and atmosphere of joy and fraternity is breathed and topics related to ongoing formation are reflected upon. The meeting offers the Salesians who attend the opportunity to strengthen fraternal bonds, grow in their vocation and discern their commitment to the Salesian mission. The Salesians of Don Bosco celebrated the Festa Sime 2023 event from 14 to 18 June, a week full of sporting, cultural, artistic and religious events in which young people and their families were involved. The event culminated on 17 June with a solemn Eucharist for the 50th anniversary of the consecration of the church dedicated to Saint John Bosco, celebrated by the Archbishop of Pontezza Muro, Lucano, Marsico, Nuovo, Bishop Salvatore Ligorio. On Sunday, 18 June, the new Salesian Superior of the Southern Italy Province IME, Father Gianpaolo Roma, was the main celebrant at the Eucharist in the square, which was followed by a procession through the streets of the district in honor of Mary Help of Christians and Saint John Bosco. The Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Chok came together to commemorate this special day. There were 2 days of intense celebration on Saturday 10th and Sunday 11 June, in which the young who have belonged to the SYM in Chosika over the years took part with rapid. On Saturday the 10th, there was a gala in honor of the 25th anniversary of the foundation, which was attended by the current members and those who have shared and accompanied this mission for many. On Sunday the 11th, the central day of the festivities, a solemn Eucharist was celebrated at the Shrine of Christians by Father Uriel Jauregui, delegate for Salesian Youth Ministry in Peru, concelebrated by Father Humberto Chavez, Vice Provincial of PER, Father Stefan Gorecki, Rector of the Salesian Community in Chosica, Father Lalo Gonzalez, one of the Salesians who was most involved at the beginnings of the SYM in Chosica, and finally the Salesians from the work. It was a day of fraternal sharing where enthusiasm, joy, music and dance shone through. The Salesians of Don Bosco Province of East Africa Province AFE is organizing a Marian Congress from 28 June to 1 July 2023. The Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, Don Bosco Upper Hill, Nairobi, is the venue for this great event. The theme of the Congress is Mary's Call and Our Christian Call, from the Gospel of Luke chapter 1 verse 26 to 40. The celebration of this event is being organized to thank our Blessed Mother for all the wonderful things she has done here in Eastern Africa through them. Salesians from India and Italy came to East Africa in 1980, and today it has grown to be a powerful presence across the region, making a difference in the lives of the young through education and other forms of ministry. Through their presence, many needy young people have found a life of dignity and respect. Later this year, their province Kenya, Tanzania and Sudan and South Sudan will be divided into two provinces, Kenya, which will include Sudan and Tanzania. So they have a lot to thank the Lord for through the Blessed Mother of whom Don Bosco, towards the end of his life, looking back to all he achieved during his lifetime, said, "Mary did it all." So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for